this is for? There's 2. Okay. So I want a giveaway from Zoe and Taylor Fun Time Surprise Time. Oh, I remember that. Okay, so it says open the side up. Okay. Do a little card. Box over here. There's phone over here. And DailyDoseOfDallas. And the parts. Little parts. Thank you so much. What's a little dog on me? Presents. Whoa. Whoa. Welcome, DailyDoseOfDallas. Thank you so much for supporting our channel and congrats on winning the giveaway. Much love, Zoe and Taylor, One Time Surprise Time. And there it is. There's a card, and let's see what we got! I'm like super. I'm super happy. Wow. Oh my god. This is awesome! It's a fingerling. Plus, it's a dragon. Oh my god. My name is Sandy. Thank you a lot. We'll open that later at the end of this video. So keep on watching. I looked on this Target booking and I'm like, oh, I want these. I don't care if I get one. It's still one. Oh, and the little girl with the rainbow hair up there. Ooh, Ryan's World. The collector's guide and put it right here. Oh. Right here. Okay, this is just a little bit. Oh, LOL light ups. There's a little girl in the back right there. Okay. Just stop putting everything on top of each other. Oh, LOL surprise. Stamp set 4 pieces. There. LOL surprise on the back. Ooh, and another Ryan's World mystery squishy figure. Right there. And my Little Pony with the little heart shape. Before I open this, I give a shout out to Zoe and Taylor. Fun time, surprise time. Shout out to you guys. To you. Oh, and I'm watching their channel right now. Shout out. Okay, let's open the fingerling. Okay, let's kitty clap. Wait, where is it? Oh. So here she is. She's so adorable. This is for a big finger. It looks so big. Oh my god, guys. Okay, let's turn her on. Look. Jeez. Glitter. Princess Glitter. Okay. Enough. Okay. Oh, and And by the way, this is the back of her. It looks so cool with their little tail there, and her wings, and glitter inside. I'm gonna sneak them. Okay, let's open our puppies. Cool. I did not know that was gonna be on the top. And, oh, yeah, look, there's a little heart, silver heart. And then there's a kitty. And then, rabbit. Okay, there's some money in them. God. Okay. Look. Puppy. It looks like party animal. I never opened this, so I don't know anything. You can like hang it up on something. What's this? Colors, collectors, guys. Okay, open! Oh, it says a cake. Aww, funny. Lonely hat. Little hat. Okay, let's do a hat. What is this? I'm gonna look on here. Okay, I can. Oh, I think we got Ava. Whatever. This girl. Wait, where is she? Yeah, right here. This girl. So my finger, where my finger is. But he's the only one that has. Is there something they? That's why they're called that. Go back down. Okay. Go over here. Okay. What? Me. And oh my god, I so want Bella. This Bella, not that Bella. This Bella. And I want. Why is there so many Bellas I want? Hayden and Sophie and Bella. And LOL is one of them. Do not smell it. Do not smell it. These stickers. Please be stickers. I don't think so. Oh, it is going to top. I love her. I love this girl. I love her so much. This is one of my favorites. Oh, he goes pink. Can't do it, it's hard. I'm trying to show you guys, but it's hard. That's hard to do. So I got the glow-in-the-dark stickers is right there. And Diva, am I saying it right? Diva's right there. Here, Mom. Take a good look at it. Yeah, and people watching. Diva. going it the opposite way. But okay.
I was showing the name.
Okay. Well, that was a complete fail of opening. Die. Ow, that hurts. So here's the queen. Oh, I got Queen Bee. Is that her name? Jeez. These two. Show the bee first, Mom. Mom, look at the colors.
Awesome.
Ha! No yellow. Ha! No yellow. Sorry, yellow. Sorry, yellow man. Who will I get? There's a lot more guys than here. Oh my god. Okay, I can get Cosmo Ryan, Diver Ryan. Glow in the dark, I also want him. Red Titan, Karate Ryan, Captain Ryan, Robo Ryan, glow in the dark Ryan, like regular Ryan, and then Builder Ryan, Racer Ryan, Pilot Ryan, Daredevil Ryan. Oh, he's a rare. And Combo Panda. A panda? Ultra rare. Okay. This here. Move. Okay.
When are we going now? Just mentioned the other one.
Let's open this.
Who are
The
you going to get now?
exciting part.
Who are you going to get now?
Oh, great. Red Titan, Gus, Professor Ryan, Taekwondo Ryan, regular Ryan, and Combo Panda. He's just a rare on this one. He's the only rare, and he's just a rare. Wow.
Let's see who you get.
I get...
Drum roll.
Yay, regular Ryan. He's like, oh, I will turn into... Hi, I will turn into... And then... I will go into this box. Here, show them this. While I do this. Oh, well,
He's a little squeaky one.
Yeah.
He's looking at you. Dallas, he's looking at you.
It's so creepy. And is he even there? I got Captain Ryan, I think. Yep, Captain Ryan. Oh, maybe we find something else. Let's go! Why did I? Oh, it's Dallas food. Okay, from the holder, already there. And it's easy to open. Oh, so it's cool. He's hard. Why is this one hard?
Because he's not as squishy.
Ew. I thought they were both gonna be squishy. I forgot. I didn't see. Ryan's work. It's so creepy. He's like, hi. He's like here, and then he's like, hi. What the? Ooh, what's this? Hi. He looks like a Lego. Okay, because here is a sword and then. Good thing I didn't get duplicates. Mom,
Yes.
there's even more. Then
He's so cute.
I know. I like this one more.
Let me see the collector's guide.
Ew.
Oh, man, there's a whole lot of them. Look at this. Can you see all of them?
Boing. Hi, I'm Ryan. Stretchy Ryan. I'm Stretchy Ryan. Doo, doo, doo. Ow. So let's open the My Little Pony. My Little Pony. It's so hard to open. There we go. I hope it was on. Okay, I think this girl is not a unicorn. Is she a unicorn? It doesn't come with the cards. Okay. I don't know. Who looks like this girl? I think I got someone named. I think I got Applejack.
Yep, that's Applejack because she has a little apple beauty cutie mark.
Yep. Cutie Mark crew. It's like, whoa, what's this? What's this? Can I get it,
These
Mom?
are the ones that you can get.
Mom, can I get it? Can I get it? Applejack? Okay, so he's like going in here for his little home. A little home. Something on it. Okay. How do you re-close this? Bye, guys. And thank you for having this giveaway, Zoe and Taylor. Fun time, surprise time. Bye. What?
Silly.
Subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell.
So silly.
Bye. Wait. Okay, come on. I want to play.